Assalamu alaikum. So today we are going to make bajre ke kebab and this recipe is of my mother-in-law. So let's get started. Now for this I have taken 500 grams of keema. Then I have taken 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of green chili powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. And I have taken Zeera powder 1 tablespoon, Dhanya powder 1 tablespoon and garam masala half teaspoon. Also I have added full fat yogurt and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now mix this really well. Now once the mixture comes through, then add 1 slice of bread and half a cup of bajre ka atta and mix well. Cover it and put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Now we need to deep fry these, so you need to fill a frying pan or a kadhai with oil and then start adding small balls of these mixture. Now you have to wait for some time before you turn it because we need the outer layer to be very crispy, plus we need the inner part to be completely cooked. Now the smaller the one, the better it is. Now you can see how beautifully these turned out. You can serve it with your green chutney and trust me guys, you will love it. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Keep following for more easy recipes. Bye.